21 CR 11553, State of Texas versus Leela McFarland. Now parties announced for the record for the state.
Jason Gearhead, Your Honor.
Defense.
Richard Garcia for the defense. Ready, Judge?
Are you Leela McFarland?
Yes, ma'am.
Showing you what's entitled Motion to Enter Adjudication of Guilt and Revoke Community Supervision. Did you review that document with your attorney? Did you understand it?
I did, Your Honor.
Are you the same Leah Beth McFarland who was placed on deferred adjudication in 2021 CR 11553 for the offense of assault peace officer judge on February 23rd, 2022 for a period of 5 years? Is that you?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, state.
Violated condition number 41 on or about the 18th day of July 2023 in Bexar County, Texas. The defendant, Leah Beth McFarland, defendant there failed to comply with the rules, regulations, or instructions of the Bexar County Community Supervision and Corrections Department's duly diagnosed residential facility, and that the defendant was unsuccessfully discharged in violation of condition number 41.
How do you plead to that? True or not true?
True.
Did you understand by pleading true to violation of condition number 41, the court could find it true, grant the motion, find you guilty, sentence you up to 20 years in prison and up to $10,000 fine?
Yes, Your Honor.
Knowing that, do you still wish to plead true to violation of condition 41?
So let's talk about what just happened. Leela just admitted to violating probation, and it's not just a slap on the wrist here. We're talking about a 5-year deferred sentence for assaulting a peace officer. That's serious business. And now, the court's ready to make that judgment stick.
All right. So is there a reason you want to raise your right hand? Do you solemnly swear or affirm the testimony you give will be the truth and nothing but the truth, so help you God? All right. State your name for the record.
Leah McFarland.
All right. So what happened?
I got onto probation and I paid a fine. I did my proof of address. I showed up for visits, but what I didn't get done was the mental or the CTA. It's some kind of drug and alcohol maybe, and then there was a mental health exam, but I got those both in jail the last time I was incarcerated.
So why are you not following the rules with mental health?
Oh, I went to DDRF and I don't know, they said that I panicked a lot, and they said that I was talking when I shouldn't have, and I just got a bunch of write-ups that...
This part hits harder. Leela's talking about her struggles, mental health, drug recovery, panic attacks. It's clear she wasn't just ignoring rules. She was battling a storm inside her head. But here's the issue. Probation terms don't wait for your healing. It's a cold system that doesn't leave space for chaos, even if that chaos is in your mind.
No, that you're making it seem like these were light infractions. These were not light infractions on your part.
I'm sorry. I was trying.
No, I mean, when you call somebody an F and B, that's not a light infraction. All right.
And then boom, the judge fires back. And honestly, she's not wrong. Calling people the F word and the B word in a rehab facility? That's not just non-compliance. That's volatile behavior. Courts hear stories all day. What they care about is discipline.
All right. The court is going to find violation of condition number 41 true. Court is going to grant the motion. Court is going to sentence you to 3 years in the prison, give you credit for any time served.
3 years, just like that. From probation to prison. That moment right there is what makes this courtroom real. It's not TV. It's not performative. It's real lives being shaped by decisions and mistakes.
We can go off the record. You cannot use your mental illness to be mean to people. Do you understand?
Yes.
All right, good luck. 23 CR 2912, State of Texas versus Christopher Trinidad.
This line right here, you cannot use your mental illness to be mean to people. That hit me, because it walks the line between compassion and accountability. The system might be rigid, but the judge knows the difference between struggling and lashing out. And she's calling it out.
Showing you what's entitled True Bill of Indictment. Did you review that with your attorney? Did you understand it?
Yes, Your Honor.
Counsel, do you waive the reading of the indictment?
Yes, Your Honor.
State, are you proceeding on the indictment as presented?
Yes, sir.
Mr. Trinidad, I'm showing you what's entitled Court Admonishments and Defendant's Waivers and Affidavit of Admonitions. Did you review that with your attorney? Did you understand it? Did you sign it in all the appropriate places?
Yes, ma'am.
Did you understand you're charged with aggravated assault with a deadly weapon? That's a second-degree felony. The range of punishment is anywhere from 2 to 20 years in prison and up to a $10,000 fine. Did you understand?
Yes, ma'am. Video recording?
Yes, in the police report, it says that you became enraged because one of the complainants told the other complainant to be careful because you were recording. They said that wasn't characteristic for you. So what is the recording about?
No, I'm just upset, Your Honor. I just, like it now.
Well, were you recording or not?
Was I recording?
Yes, recording.
Oh, no, ma'am.
Recording other individuals because that's what's in the police report.
No, ma'am. Sorry.
It's been kind of hard. As you know, I had a slip up there, and but I've been doing my recovery every day, and it's one of those things I've never experienced this before. I did have a drinking habit when I was younger, and it just increased during my divorce. I went through a foreclosure. I had some things going on in my life, but that's not an excuse.
All right, everyone, please whisper.
I am, but it's something that I've been. It's been difficult, but it's definitely been a learning process.
Okay. So, what tools did you learn to make sure you maintain your sobriety?
Well, for one, I'm understanding that my emotions aren't. It's not worth getting in trouble for. I've learned how to relax and calm down. I have 5 children, so they test you. They test you. I have a 20-year-old and an 18-year-old. Those are the two that really test me. But at the same time, they're growing up. So it's something that I've been able to process. And I did go to rehab for a little bit. And during rehab, we had process groups, and I was able to release a lot of things that happened. My ex-wife was murdered, and that was tough. It's something that we had to experience as a family. So I gotta say, even though I didn't like getting arrested, it's definitely been something that I needed. And never thought I would say that, but yeah.
And if you're drug tested today?
I mean, I'd be fine. I get drug tested every week.
Yeah, I read the report that since you've been getting drug tested every week, your tests have been better, coming out negative, which is a good thing.
Thank you.
Okay. All right. And I saw where Child Protective Services, I assume, got involved because of this. What's happening with that?
Oh, actually, it was a really positive experience.